Welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to model a birdhouse using Blender's edit mode. I hope you enjoyed my last video. Thank you for the support. So some quick things I want to show you that we will use in the videos going forward is a little add-on called Loop Tools. I already have it installed, so this will be really handy to make circles and all sorts of other things. And another is auto mirror, which I also have enabled because I've used this before. So auto mirror is just creates a mirror, so you only have to do half the work, which makes things a lot easier. But in today's video, we'll use loop tools. In a future video, we will look at how to use auto mirror. So let's get started with the default cube, our friend. So right here, we can do one of two things to go into edit mode. We can either hit tab on the keyboard like I've shown with the keyboard, or you can just go here, go to edit mode. Either works. And what we'll do first is a subdivision of the top face. Subdivision basically divides whatever you're working on into two parts. So I will just select this. Actually, I think it's this face, this face, this face, this face. Right click. Subdivide. No, it was the other two. Right click. And I'm using shift right click. I'm using shift left click here. Subdivide. There we go. And to give it the roof structure, we'll select G to grab, and then we'll use Z because we want to go up. There you go. And before we use loop tool to make the little circle that birdhouses have, let's first make the roof a little bit more separated. So what we'll do is we'll go into vertex select before we were in edge select. So we'll just select these two using shift left click, right click, and just do connect vertex path. That way when we go into face select, each one is a separate face. Like that, perfect. So what we'll do next is we'll use subdivision on this face. So just right click, subdivide, and we'll do this 3. No, that's 3 to go to the right view. Just bear with me here. So we'll change subdivide to 3. Just like so. And yeah, now what the next thing to do is select each face in the middle by using shift left click and select that. Go N on the keyboard, go to tools, loop tool, and circle. There you go. You have a nice circle from a face of squares. So now we'll just scale it a little bit more. To use S to scale. And now what we'll do is an extrusion. The extrusion is like you can make things go outward like that, but we want to go inward, so we'll just need to extrude in the opposite direction like that. There. The one thing you could do to make the roof more visible is select the roof by using shift left click, and then use Option E or Alt E if you're on Windows, and do extrude faces along the normals. So it'll extrude within the respective axis. And there you go, you have a nice birdhouse. If you want them to have a little stand, what you could do is use Shift A and then go to Mesh and select the cylinder, and let's keep it to 12 vertices. That's good for low poly modeling. And then we'll go into front view by pressing 1 on the numpad, or if you have the emulated numpad as well, then you just do RY 90, hit enter, then G, then Y. And this is quite a big stand, so we'll scale it down like so, and then we'll go into right view by pressing 3. If you have it enabled, just go here, edit preferences, input, emulate numpad, and then let's move this stand a little bit closer to the birdhouse, like so. And right now it's right in the birdhouse, so we'll just move it down by using G, then Z. And let's make this a little bit longer by selecting the first base. I went tab into edit mode, and then select the face, and then we'll just extrude by pressing E, like that. There you have it, your very own birdhouse. So now that we've finished modeling the birdhouse, what we need is some color. Let's color it. So let's go into the material view, and right now we see it's white. We can change that by selecting the base color and making it, let's make it this color, like so. And one neat trick here is you can select this, and then to copy the color from other materials, you can just select the mesh that doesn't have the color you want, and shift left click on the mesh that has the color you want, and do Command or Control L. That makes a link, materials. There you go. Now this has the same color as the birdhouse. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like and share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.